I spent 20 years in luxury hospitality, teaching people how to arrive, to check in, and how to fill their schedules with the best local highlights. But over the last 5 years, I've had to teach myself a completely different skill: how to actually disappear. Most people travel to add more to their lives, more sights, more photos, more checkboxes. I've learned to travel to subtract everything that doesn't belong. If you ever come home from vacation feeling like you need another vacation just to recover, that's not normal. You aren't alone. Today I want to show you my personal 1-hour reset method. No flights, no fortune required, just a simple shift in how we move through the world. The first step is physical. When I feel overwhelmed by a fast-paced day, I take 2 minutes. I warm a little olive oil between my hands, close my eyes, and just breathe. It grounds you instantly back into your body. If you add some essential oils, it can help you to balance a overwhelmed feeling. A little bit more about the etheric oils, I have a little blog post that you can check below in the description box. You don't need to hike through Europe's longest canyon to find a peace. You just need to choose a direction without map. Find in the corner, sit down for 15 minutes with a warm cup of mountain herbal tea, and just let your thoughts catch up to you. No scrolling, put your phone aside, just listening to the nature, the quiet of the morning, and just observe and switch off your mind. The final part of the reset is shifting from consuming to creating. Inspired by the Asian palace frescoes, I spent 15 minutes catching a leaf, painting a wave, or writing down 3 tiny things that brought me joy today. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a way to let your mind exhale. I woven this exact philosophy and these exact rituals into my physical August letter for my Snail Club. Every month, I hand-curated an entire experience centered around intentional living, wellness, regional secrets, intentional travel, sent straight to your mailbox. For my curated club members watching, I've left clues all over this month's letter. From 3,000 years old olive trees to hidden pink sand beaches, an Asian mythological labyrinth. Can you guess which sun-drenched island we are visiting this coming month? Drop your guess in the comment below. And thank you for spending this quiet time with me today. If you're ready to trade the travel checklist for a little more breathing room, make sure to subscribe. And if you want a physical piece of this journey delivered to your door, the link to join is in the description box below. Until the next time, remember to let your shoulders drop and take care of your beautiful soul. And bye for now.